Welcome to Tamaar Stitches tutorial. Today I'm going to be sewing this beautiful gown I'm showing you. It's on my screen there. You can see it's there in pink color or in purple color. Now the first thing you need is the length of the gown. That's what I'm trying to get. Once you get the length, then you get the shoulder length where you want the sleeve to stop. Okay, those are the measurements you need. Now after then, the next measurement is the body. How big and full do you want the gown to be? The fuller, the more beautiful, because you're going to be adding a rope inside to shape it. Now let's get to the table to arrange the fabric. Okay, looking at the fabric now, I've folded it into two again to give me 4 folds. You get, if you've been following my lectures, you see that this is how we normally fold all our fabrics into two. But this time around, the front will be longer than the back because we are going to be gathering the upper part. So you can see the excess I have now. Right now, the back is one on top and the front is the one under. Okay, so I have almost 17 inches extra when you are folding that gown. Okay, so now I'm about to start measuring. You can see the fold. I'm showing you again. Is into 4. We're cutting the front and the back together. So the neck width we're using is 3 inches. Okay, now for the neck depth, you have to measure where the length will stop because it's a collar. It's a collar. Okay, you can see it there. I've taken this length, but there's something I need to correct here. What you are supposed to use is about 32 depth because you're going to be pushing gathers in between that collar panel. So it's 32 you are supposed to use, not what I used it differently. Okay, maybe I have to do on that video again, but this one you need 32 depth so I can push it up with those excess we have that I've already added to the front. This is for your normal collar, short collar neck. What am I doing now? So please correct it. The neck depth you are using is 32, 33. So that by the time you finish pushing the collars by the side, you see, you get what you want. Then you mark the neck depth of the back as 1 inch. Good. For the sleeve, what you get from the center of back of your neck is where you get the sleeve length because it's a kimono. The sleeve is cut together with the body. You give it a very wide sleeve opening because I'm going to be using elastic to gather the sleeve. Yes, I'm using elastic to gather. So as high as 20, 17, 20 is the sleeve opening. So that by the time I give it that gather, it will give it fullness. The gown is meant to be very, very full. Now we need the body. So you put a tape around yourself and say how big do you want the gown to be. It's actually a free size gown. Okay, so you measure out what is comfortable for you or for the client. So let's say for the client, then you now know the body size. So after getting the sleeve opening plus the sleeve on the shoulder, now you are getting what? The body size. So whatever you get after the sleeve opening, you take it all the way down. Now we'll start cutting. I finished marking the body. We've gotten the sleeve opening. We're going to cut it now. Neck depth, like I said, is not 17 I'm using here. I use 32 inches. Now I want to cut the collar for this neck depth. Okay, so you're going to fold your material with the width of your collar. When you cut off the neck depth, the width at which you use in cutting it, if it's 2 inches or 2.5, so you get the length that will cover that opening you have after gathering it, so that you'll be able to iron it, put a stay on it. See it here, you can see the way I'm showing you now. It's folded into two and is how many inches? Yeah, I told you it's 2.5 inches folded into two. Okay, so we're going to go and stitch it together. You open it after folding it into two. You open it wide like this and sew in the center. See that center line? You are going to leave the neck opening, then sew down the remaining part. That is how you get this special collar. So once I sew it now, I'll bring it back for you to see how it looks. What most times your neck opening is no more than 15-16. Front and back neck opening is 15-16. Let me see. Okay, it's within 15-16-17, depending on how big and how open the person wants the neck to be. So you can put a tape around your neck and measure it. Good, you can see that. So that center, after folding it into two, you open it flat and I sew the center. So I'll take it to the sewing machine and sew the center. Now you can see I've sewn the center. Now I'm going to open it. You see the way I'm opening it? Now you understand. This is how to get your collar. Okay, you see the way it looks? Beautiful. Going to give it a beautiful press. Yes, this is how the collar is. Very beautiful collar. So now I'm going to insert this after the gathers on the gown. Thanks for watching. If you have watched up to this part, make sure you are subscribed. We'll always give you new and beautiful styles so that you will learn. We don't charge you anything, just come and learn. Subscribe to this channel. This is Tamaar Stitches tutorial classes. We are always here for you. Thanks for watching.